right, got those bad shades on. Here's Mike by Gitchy Gumi.
And Rudy and Charlotte.
Well, who are they? Are those dogs? Oh, look at them.
Rudy would be a former Alabama forest pack dog. And Charlotte was being rescued from Smith.
They're both.
Yeah, she's a good girl, except that she will occasionally charge
Other animals.
Other than that,
So here we are.
Falls.
It's a beautiful Gooseberry Falls.
In the fall.
Don't fall. I guess there's an Upper Falls. I kind of like those tree trunks, huh? Aren't those something?
Forest floor, will you?
Yeah. Hey, dog.
Pitbull from
You having a good time?
forest floor. Plotting something.
You see something?
Missing.
You guys are interested in things?
Mugging.
Mugging for the camera.
Good dog.
Fairly good.